Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed about the Himalayan ranges. Three parallel ranges of Himalaya mountains, Greater Himalaya, which is called Himadri. Middle ranges is called Himachal range. Outer Himalaya is called a Sivalik range. So now we'll discuss how the people are living in the mountain ranges. Some of the states people are living in the region, how the people are cultivating the crops, and also what type of the dresses they are using and what type of the food they are eating. Let us see in this class now. Now Sikkim, now Jammu and Kashmir. See, Jammu Kashmir, in the state, that the peoples are cultivating some of the crops like apples and also orchard. Apples garden and also orchard means some fruits garden. Mostly Jammu Kashmir famous for the apples. So there, men and women, they are using the loose garments. That loose gown only is called, see, they are cultivating some of the apples, orchards. Saffron also they are cultivating. Saffron like a turmeric. So apples and saffron they are cultivating in the region. The men and women wear the loose gown which is called kurta. Okay, kurta they called. And again pairan and kurtas they used to wear the loose gown. And also they are weaving salwar. And special type of tea the people used to drink which is called gawa. Special type of tea the people used to drink which is called gawa. You are able to follow Jammu Kashmir. And now next, the important tourist places. Some people are attracted by some important places to visit in that region. The tourist places are Srinagar, Gulmarg, Amarnath. Can you able to follow? Jammu Kashmir is located in the northern Himalaya mountain. That is Jammu Kashmir people, how they are living, in that mountain region. Some of the area completely cleared and cultivate some crops. Mostly the people used to cultivate apples and also saffron and orchard. That people used to wear the loose gown which is called kurtas and also pairan. Okay, kurta spelling Kurta. Pairan Phiran. That is one type of the loose gowns men and women they used to wear. And salwar also. Now the special type of the tea they used to drink which is called gawa. Kahwa. And now the important tourist places are located in Jammu and Kashmir. The tourist places are attracted by different areas people. During that summer season, the people used to go to north side. Because the northern side, very cool places, hill station. Like the tourist places attracted by the people. The important tourist places are Srinagar, Gulmarg and Amarnath. What are the tourist places? Srinagar, Gulmarg and Amarnath. Next stage, Ladakh. Ladakh, is one of the important, most sceneries place. Beautiful sceneries. There they found double-humped camel. Only in one places we can see that double-humped camel, very thick bull get from the camel. So the people used to weave woolen ropes. The ropes are called kanta. The people used to wear the loose Gown, men and women, both used to wear that long gown is called gancha. Gancha. G-O-N-C-H-A. That dress is called gancha. And the robe, they used to get from the camel, double humped camel. That robe is called ganta. Can you able to follow all of you? And now the tourist places, important tourist places. Again, Leda, Zanskar Valley, Zanskar Valley, Z-A-N-S-K-A-R, Zanskar Valley, Pangong Lake, Pangong Lake, P-A-N-G-O-N-G, Pangong Lake. And also Lake Palace, L-A-K, Lake Palace. These are the important tourist places. That tourist places also attracted by the other state peoples and other peoples. Next state, Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh. That Himachal Pradesh is famous for basmati rice and also liches, one type of the fruits, plums, plum cake we are preparing, that plum. You understand? Here that Himachal Pradesh, the people are cultivating basmati rice. Basmati rice is good for making biryani, that basmati rice. Mostly they are cultivating in the Himachal Pradesh. Liches and also plums. And now the people, salves and drug. They are weaving by the men and women and also using and wearing by the men and women shawl, scarves and also rugs. Can you able to follow all of you? Next, the important tourist place, Mussoorie, Nainital and Haridwar. So in Himachal Pradesh, some of the tourist places are there that people used to visit that area. That important places in Himachal Pradesh, Mussoorie, Nainital and Haridwar. Mussoorie spelling M-U-S-S-O-O-R-I-E. Mussoorie, Nainital, N-A-I-N-I-T-A-L, Nainital, Haridwar, H-A-R-I-D-W-A-R, Haridwar. Can you able to follow? Next one, Sikkim. Next state, Sikkim. Sikkim, the people cultivate oranges and also cardamom and orchards. Orchards, the fruits garden. Okay, and next oranges, orange garden and cardamom. Cardamom and in Telugu, what do they call that one? Yelakkal. Okay, now yelakkal. And clouds means lavang. Okay, now spices. Cardamom. Oranges, cardamom and next one orchard. Orchards means different types of the fruits garden. Can you able to follow? And next one, the people used to wear the dress is called Baku. B-A-K-H-U. Baku. Okay, because the different state people used to wear the different types of the dress. So like that here, Sikkim people used to wear the dress is called Baku. Okay, but the people different colorful beads, they make like a jewels, different colorful beads. Beads in Telugu they used to say Kosalu. Okay, different color beads. They make like a jewels, like a chains and the bangles for earrings, all that to attract for the woman. Can you able to follow? So that the people used to wear the dress is called Baku, B-A-K-H-U, Baku, and they used to wear the colorful beads as a jewels. And now the important tourist place, Gangtok, Pelling, G-A-N-G-T-O-K, Gangtok and Pelling, P-E-L-L-I-N-G, Pelling. So the important tourist place in the Sikkim, Gangtok and Pelling. Can you able to follow? So these 4 states people are living in the Himalaya mountains. How the people are living, you see that once again. See, Jammu Kashmir, the people cultivating apples and saffron and also some orchard, fruits garden more. Because as they are living in the mountain region, they can't able to get sufficient water for the other crops. That is why they are cultivating apples and saffron. So in that area, the people used to wear that long type of the gown. Dresses, men and women, they used to wear the long type of the dress. That dress is called kurta and also paira. And now salwar. And salwar also they used. And now they used to drink the special type of the tea which is called gawa. K-A-H-W-A. Gawa. And now the important tourist places. What are the important tourist places in the Jammu Kashmir? Srinagar, Gulmarg and Amarnath. So what are the important tourist places in Jammu Kashmir? Srinagar, Amarnath and Gulmarg. And next one, Ladakh region. That Ladakh region mostly found double humped camel, one type of the camel. Double humped means double coated camel, wool. So they will get camel wool to make a dress material and also rugs. So the people used to wear the gancha, one type of the dress, and also big robe. They used to wear that dress is called kanta. Now the important tourist places in the Ladakh attracted by the people. The important tourist places are Zanskar Valley, Z-A-N-S-K-R, Zanskar Valley. Next, Pangong Lake, P-A-N-G-O-N-G, Pangong Lake. Next, Lake Palace, L-E-K, Palace. Okay, Lake Palace. Next one, Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh people cultivate the basmati rice and also liches and plum, one type of the fruits. That area people used to wear the shawls, scarf and rugs because they used to get more wool. The people used to make woolen shawls, scarves and also rugs. Now the important tourist place in Missouri, Nainital and Haridwar. Next one, Sikkim. Sikkim people. The people used to cultivate the oranges, cardamom and also some orchards. Okay, the people used to wear the baku, one type of the dress is called baku, B-A-K-H-U. And the people used to wear the colorful beads as a jewels. Colorful beads used as a jewels for the women. And now the important tourist place, Gangtok and also Pelling. So now the people are living in that Himalaya regions.